Okay folks, welcome to the Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview, the fourth video actually that I'm doing in this series. I hope you enjoy it. Today we're going to look at a few of the settings, the control panel, and how it works. Of course, Windows Defender is something that has come with it, so I thought I'd just show you it really quick. This is Windows Defender. It's new window. It doesn't look much different than before. You can update it, get history, a little bit easier to control. You can set it to view the items that were detected as potentially harmful and the actions that you took for them, quarantined items, allowed items, different settings there. That is the status of my last quick scan. I'm going to show you really quick. If you go down to the bottom right by your clock, you're going to see a little thing here for new notifications, and in your notifications panel you can easily access the all settings. Another way you could do it is by going to your start menu at the bottom left, and you can go to your settings from there. It's very easy, right on the very top. But we're going to go back to our settings screen here. You'll notice that you have System, Devices, Network and Internet, Personalization, Accounts, Time and Language, Ease of Access, Privacy, and Update and Security. Many of these are going to be self-explanatory for those of you who are familiar with Windows, but for others I'll go into each really quickly and give you a brief overview. Here in the System, you're going to be able to customize your display. You can go to your display, notifications, installed apps, multitasking. On the left side you see a menu over here which you can select which specific portion of your system you want to adjust. But right here, center of your screen, you've got customize your display, and you can change the size of the text, the orientation, the brightness level. You can even have it adjust automatically. You can go to advanced display settings from there, even if you want. On devices, where you have Bluetooth printers and mouse, you can choose devices here and adjust each of their settings. As you can see, I have my gamepad connected because I'm going to work on my next video and show how well it works on gaming. Network and Internet. This is your Wi-Fi airplane mode. You can see the local internet accounts. You can get to airplane mode, data usage, VPN. As you can see, the data usage is set more specifically for tablets and phones. You can set up a proxy as you need. Personalization, your background, lock screen, colors. You can preview your desktop, choose a picture for your desktop. Various settings are available through this thing. Account, sign in, sync settings. This is where you would set up user accounts. I would click on it, but I believe it would show you my login account. I don't need that. Time and language, where you go to this, you're going to see your time and date. You can set the time automatically, adjust it as needed, its format as you want. Related settings, additional date, time, and regional settings will be found at the bottom, of course. And privacy, location, and camera can be accessed. You can set privacy settings here. Let apps access your name, picture, turn on smart screen filter, send Microsoft information, let websites provide local relevant content. Now, some of these I have set to on when I would normally have off for my own personal preference. However, because this is a technical preview build, I want to give Windows all the information they can use to make it a better build in the end. So I have some of the settings on that I would normally have off. So please don't comment and say, oh, why do you have this on, or why do you have that on? This is your updating with security. I go here often to check if there's any new builds. There was problems installing the last update. You'll find that occasionally with this preview. But this is where you would access the update, backup, recovery for developers, Windows Defender. You can get to your Windows Defender screen from here. But this is your settings screen. It's kind of nice. When it's smaller like that, when it's larger like this, you're going to have the larger buttons. But as you see, as I resize it, it changes the icons to be more of a list view. And you'll find that with a lot of the system settings in Windows 10 here, because they've developed this in such a way to make it accessible and easy to use for those who are using a tablet or a phone or even a PC. Here we're still running the Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview build 10,074. Sorry, I guess you don't really need to see the power strip there. But I am using this on my laptop. That is an Asus laptop. Golly, I can't even talk today. But this is a preview of some of the settings. Again, if we go to the Start menu and then to Settings, you get to the exact same settings menu. Now, for those of you who prefer the old style control panel, you can go there and type in Control, and Control Panel is the first one on the top there. For anybody who wants to find the old one, there it is. They hid it a little bit. Don't know if it'll be there in the final build, but here it is. You can uninstall programs, add devices, network and security, appearance, ease of use. Any of your old school Windows users will recognize this control panel. And here it is. The next thing you're going to notice is they did change the recycle bin icon to be three-dimensional. There have been a couple of changes. Cortana will be something that will be coming up in an upcoming video, but for now, when you click on it or you say hey Cortana, you can set it up to be voice activated or not. I told it my name was Dude, so it's saying what can I help you with, Dude. And if I had it fully set up, it would audibly speak to me and be responsive to me talking to it. Right now it's telling me score for the Dodgers game and the Mariners game and a couple of my favorite teams that I've told it, just some random teams here just so I can get a feel for what it does. Gives you top headlines, some recommended articles as you scroll down, the current forecast. This is it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Check out the next one if you want to learn more about Windows 10. This time we got a closer look at some of the settings. Next time I'm going to go a little bit deeper into the Start menu and a gaming video. Show people how to set up their Start menu just like you did in Windows 8. Not going to be much different. For those of you who are not interested in setting up that Start menu or fiddling with that in any way, you can skip to the following video, which is going to have some video gaming and some tweaks on that. I did have to run a couple of games in compatibility mode, but now they seem to be running just fine, if not better than they ran on Windows 7 and Windows 8. Thanks for joining me. Like the video and share with your friends. Have a good day, all. God bless.